Gribble, we have a 7-kilometre hike from Mullion Cove Hotel to Kynance Cove. Let's go. Come on, bud.
Have no fear for when I'm alone. I'll be better off than I was before. I've got this life, I'll be around to grow who I was before. I cannot recall long nights allow me to feel I'm falling. I am falling, the lights go out. Let me feel I'm falling. I am falling safely to the ground. I'll take this soul that's inside me now, like a brand new friend.
There it is.
I'll forever know I've got this life.
There he is.
In the will to show I will always be better than before.